Right, my name's Steve Cunningham and I'm attempting to set the world blind land speed record tomorrow at Bruntingthorpe for a blind driver, Dodge Viper V10. Entered into my first fundraising exercise, which entailed me writing to Graham Lake Range at Silverstone, who was a circuit manager, and I explained to him that I'd like to do a sponsored drive. Problem one was I couldn't drive, problem two was I couldn't see. It's breaking barriers and break a record. It's far easier to break a record and drive at 100 miles an hour than it is to break the barrier of conception as to what people with disabilities can do.
Too much water on the track, where the water's got into the actual timing system, so they're trying to dry that out, trying to dry the track out. And here at Bruntingthorpe, there's a camera just coming in. So hopefully the cables are dry, the plane is gone, and the track is dry. Go.
Okay, Steve, then. We have the fastest of the 3 runs is 147.56, and that is the fastest time of the day, and that is official new record. 147.56.
Nervous.
Yeah, you know.
I am. Yeah. Ready to go to work. Okay, nice steady enough. Just wait to put the boat in the water. Apprehensive, with a touch of excitement, the adrenaline's buzzing. So we're going to go and do a bit of testing and have a crack at the record in about 15 minutes. Good. Something else that was. Fantastic run.
That's a brilliant shot. You've just put it in the middle of the green.
Confidence is a preference for the habitual voyeur of what is known as.
Tell you what, that goes in. Bloody hell, you're about 4 feet from the spin.
What is known as. John's got brewer's group. He gets intimidated by the dirty pigeons. They love a bit of him. Who's that gut lord marching? You should cut down on your pork life, mate. Get some exercise.
All the people, so many people, they all go hand in hand process of life.
Aye, aye. Call it.